Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I just got my order from the Happy Planner fall release. Just arrived on my doorstep and I thought you might want to see what's inside and what I bought. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. So as you may or may not know, I am a Happy Planner Squad mentor, and what that means is I get lots of free product. So if you didn't see my unboxing video of my mentor box and all my flip throughs and stuff, I'll put the playlist here so that you can go back and watch that stuff. But there was a bunch of stuff I did not get that I really wanted, and so I did place a big order. I placed like a $400 order. But yeah, I thought you might be interested in seeing what I bought. So let's get to it. First, I'm just gonna open the box and just kind of show you real quick, and then I'm gonna take it away and pull some stuff out. See? Like, you can see I got a lot of stickers, but I got a couple other things too, so let's see. First, I'm gonna show you the sticker books that I bought. It's a lot of them. Let's start with this stuff. Okay, so first, I'll show you the little sticker packs. So I got this. You know what? Maybe I'll do a flip through of some of this stuff as I'm doing it. Not the sticker books. I think I'll do those separately. But I'm going to show you first the little sticker packs I got. Okay, so I bought 2 of these because I love like the real photo stickers. They just appeal to me. I know I've said that before, but so I got 2 of these. So these are on clear sticker paper, which was surprising. I didn't expect that. It will all be okay. You cannot do it all. You are worthy. There's gold foil on here. I love like how neutral it is, and it'll kind of match any spread, or I can do like a whole neutral spread. So there's gold foil here. It will be okay. Excuse me, it's early in the morning. Take time for just you. Breathe. You are worthy. Nice little quotes. Listen to your heart. Have faith in your journey. You are so worthy. I'm probably gonna, if I'm being honest, you guys know I'm not a fan of these arch stickers. I'm just not. I'm probably gonna end up cutting these down. Something like that, maybe. And then more of these really pretty photo stickers. I am really, I'm real froggy, you guys. It's really early and I haven't drank enough water yet. I don't know. I just really like these. I like how it's like the sepia colored. Unplug, connect, create, breathe, check in. I wish I could use these unplug stickers. Maybe a week in October I will unplug. I don't know. I know you don't like to hear that. So like I said, I got 2 of those. I got a neutral jungle sticker pack. Today is wild and it is yours. I love that. Explore, dream, discover, go with the flow. We've got feathers here, some like leopard print, stay wild. I love like the blush colors and the coral. We have some gold foil leopard here. Not a fan of gold foil in general, but they might come in handy. And then some foil leaves. Ooh, these are really pretty though. I like those. And then these are all clear paper, by the way. Some leopard spots or cheetah or whatever. Stay strong, wild soul, brave heart, wander, wonder, repeat. Just a bunch of cute quotes. And then this page is so cute. With the exception of these, in my opinion, with the exception of these 2, because they remind me of centipedes. I just keep it real on my channel. I have to tell it like it is. And I'm sorry, but if I saw that on my floor, I would think it was a centipede and I wouldn't want it in my house. So I might not be using these 2, but the rest are really cute. Okay. This little pack is called Sweet Celebrations. I got this because there's birthday stuff on it, and it's like really hard to find birthday stickers. And I like it when I have like the Celebrate sticker book or Life is a Party or something like this, where I just know it's there rather than trying to search through other sticker books. You know what I mean? So we have some quotes here on clear paper. Special day, birthday, wedding, anniversary. Some little icons. And party, some presents. Some pie or cake. I guess it's cake, but it looks like pie. Oh, look at those little macarons and champagne bottles. Yay. These are really cute and pastel. And then we have just these circles with little cute rose gold icons on them. And then another of that same page with some rose gold accents. And then just like all these little icons you can put on different days. It's just a cute little sticker pack. I think I'm going to do separate flip throughs for these, but I just wanted to show you what I got. So I got Love for Letters. I'll just do like a little, in case you don't want to watch the flip through, I'll just do this. That's Love for Letters. You know, I love lettering. Happy Plans. I got this one because there's a lot of boxes in here and a lot of pure yellow. Otherwise, I might not have gotten it because it's pretty similar to some books I already have. Zodiac. Very different. I love those black pages. They're so cute. Lots of quotes and stars and stuff, which is always nice. Plant Mama. You know I can't pass up a plant book. You know I can't. Even though I can't keep plants alive. Bold and Blush. Love the colors in here. Then I got the Seasons of Color Big Pack. I love this size. I want them to make every sticker book in this size, just saying. These are really pretty. Okay, let me grab another bunch of stuff. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff, by the way. I really, really don't. I really don't. There's another one of that. So I got a second seasonal fall book. They did give me one. But since I do those patron spreads and everything, you can't have too many fall sticker books. I got Hustle and Heart. I thought this one was cool because of that green foil. Some of the pages I don't like. But if you watch my flip through, I'll tell you which ones I don't like. And, but I do like a lot of that. I got another Seasons sticker book, the Happy Seasons one, because you can't have too much seasonal in my opinion. I got the Halloween and Dia de los Muertos sticker book, which I'm really excited about. This one is so cute. I love the colors for Halloween in this one. Really, really pretty. I got the Bold Blush Big sticker book, which is just like the other one, except big. If there's like a classic and a big, and a mini, like I don't usually get all three, or sometimes I don't even get two of them. It depends on how much I like the stickers. If I really like them, I'll get all of the sizes, but if I like them, you know, if they're okay, I'll just get one of them. I got the Seasons of Color. You guys know, you knew I'd get the Modern Meow. I can't believe they didn't send that to me. Bumble, go away. I can't believe they didn't send this. Ooh, look at that. I can't believe they didn't send this one to me because they know I have cats, don't they? Maybe I don't talk about them enough. This is so cute. I like this one better than the dog book, if I'm being honest. Like, this one is adorable. I can't wait to use that. I got the Big Color Story, and they had sent me the mini one, and this is really cute. And I'm really excited about this theme because it's not in any other sticker book. Okay, let me get some more. I know it's a big order, you guys. I got this washi tape. Which one is this one? I forget what this one's called. Anyway, there was only 2 washi tape packs in the new fall release. I did not get the Miss Maker, and I'm kind of regretting it. So maybe I should put this on paper. I'm not going to put this one on paper because you can see that, right? It's really pretty. So this is the, actually, I'm not going to put any of these on paper. Sorry, guys. I'm just not feeling like it. I'm being lazy, okay? That's the butterfly one. Oh, let me turn it though so you can see. It's like the papillon that matches like the sticker book and the planners. This one's a nice like just a brown with gold polka dots. This is a really pretty butterfly gold one. And then this one has, I don't know what this is. Looks like florals. I really like the stripe one. I love the colors in there. It's gonna go with like the Papillon sticker book and all the colors in that. So that is, oh wait, there's one more. Bold, beautiful, brave, and then some butterflies. Oh, sorry about my dog, people. Let me show you these planners I got. You guys know I use a big vertical, obviously. And I use a classic vertical. And I use a classic dashboard. I think it's gonna be the same for 2021 as far as like, sorry for the noise, as far as which planners I use for, like which style planners I use for certain things, but I am gonna add in, I think 2 planners in 2021. You can wait. I usually post my lineup in December, so you can check that out then, because I would tell you now, honestly, but I do not know yet exactly what I'm doing, but I'm going to switch it up a little bit. And I may even switch up the way I use these planners too, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm not going to tell you yet. So let me pause and take these things off. You don't want to see all that. Okay, so I got the Spoonful of Faith Dashboard Happy Planner, the classic size, and then I got the Marabou Designs big planner. So I'm going to show you each one real quick. I'm sure there's other flip throughs online too you can watch of these, but I'll tell you why I got these ones too. So this one's so pretty. I mean, I got both of them mainly because like the designs are just really pretty, but we have like these teal discs. They're plastic. I prefer metal discs, but I can always like put metal discs on if I want. But I just think this is beautiful. This is a beautiful planner for sure. So this is what the monthly or the yearly page, I guess, looks like. And then we have the year-to-date pages. And pretty much this is the same as all the planners I've seen so far as like currently pages and year-to-date and all of that. Very neutral, very pretty. If you haven't seen any flip throughs of the new planners, this is what the new currently page looks like for the most part. We have like a dot grid section here and then graph paper here and then lines. I love like you get all 3. It's very minimal. It's very pretty. I don't know yet if I'm going to love decorating it or not. I wish that these weren't here. I wish that, you know what I mean? I wish they just had like this and maybe they did the writing like a little bit on the top or something. But I can cover those with stickers. So I don't know yet if I'm going to like decorating it. We'll see in 2022. So speak good things to yourself. I love the color combo. I think it's super pretty. The monthly is my dream monthly, I will say. There's polka dots a little bit here in the middle, and it's not too bad. It's very kind of understated. But this is all like extremely neutral, which I love. And the reason I got this planner in particular, and there was I think 2 that were like this, but this is my dream. It's my dream because there's no shading. So in the previous dashboard planners, there was shading in this block, and that's the one I'm using now. I'll show it to you actually. So this is what it looks like, and there's always like color here, and now, or like even like gray sometimes, but now there's not, and I love that. There is a little shading here which I can live with. It's not, you know, my favorite thing in the world, but it doesn't really bother me either that much. So, and this is what every page for the month is going to look like. Some of them have little quotes on them like this, but it's super minimal. That just says, do more of what makes you happy. Very, very minimal. I think there's just one of them actually that has a quote, yeah. and then we're into February. So I'm just going to show you these pretty dividers. Look at that. So beautiful. Just keep growing. And you've probably seen this before, but love, love, love this. Let's root for each other and watch each other grow. Just keep trying. Grow. This is beautiful. I want to see what my birthday month is. Oh, look at this one. You can do brave things. That's so pretty. I wish that was my birthday month. Let's see what it is. September's my birthday month. Let's see. Oh, I got the girl. I love her. Be a dreamer and a doer. And a lot of these designs are also on the stickers. Plant dreams and grow a happy life. And then the girls. The gang's all here. And then we just have some dot grid paper on the back. Look at that. Look at that on the middle. That's so pretty. And then the florals. And then that's the back cover. Really simple and beautiful. I'm really liking this. Okay. Next up, we have the big one. And this is the Marabou Design. Is it Marabou Design or Marabou Designs? I always forget. Anyway, it's that. Your ideas belong here. This cover is a little warped. I have to try to straighten that out. This is really cute. I just, I love the, like the peach discs. I think they're really pretty. There's your name page. Again, with this, you know, same bit here. All of these are like the same. So, and then, well, I'll show you the vertical pages too. Thoughts, ideas, and plans. Okay, so the monthly looks the same as the other one, and here is your weekly pages, and like, I love it. I love it. Again, wish this wasn't here, but I'm not going to be picky about it. I kind of like the polka dots in the middle. It's real, like, subtle and cute, and I don't mind those. I like the font of the numbers at the top. Like, I just love everything about it. It's perfect to me because it's so neutral and there's no color on it, which is like, yes. I'm actually really happy with these compared to like this year. I'll show you this year. So this is what they look like currently, and these are the new ones. And I really prefer the new ones because it's just like delicate and pretty. Do you know what I mean? I just like it better. And like, I love how the month is like less bold and just like classy. So that's the difference between the two. All right, so let me just show you the dividers. Like, look how beautiful. I love these illustrations. It's so pretty. Life is sweet. Your ideas belong here. Make lemonade. I don't know. It's just cute and sweet. Like, it just feels nice. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Party time. Just like a really cute planner. Then you get one page of note paper, and then there's your back, and there's your back cover. So that is it. That's everything I got from the new release, with the exception of the new Disney sticker books that I already did a flip through on, and I got those in a separate order. So they came earlier. So that's everything. Let me know in the comments, like, what you think about this, and I want to know what you ordered. Did you order as much as I did? Or did you only order a couple of things? All right, take care and have a great day, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye.